Welcome to Long Pool on Coongan River. We respect, acknowledge the Nyamal people as the traditional custodians of this land. We invite you to our country and to share our knowledge of this land.
We went to Long Pool for on-country excursion, and when we got off the bus we had lunch, and after we had lunch we went down to fish. I went to my fishing spot, like a tree thing with a big branch. Me, Banjo, Tate were there. Banjo caught the biggest fish and I nearly caught one, but it slipped and got back into the water. It's good to go out country because you get to swim and fish and do things you can't do in town. Plus, it's good to get off your devices.
It is important to bring our children on country and to share our stories. We are looking forward to continue learning across Nyamal country with our future generations.